solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's episode has a simple, brutal, and factual reality. Don't marry a single Filipina mom if you don't like kids. You will regret it faster than you can say, stepdad. What's this before you ruin three lives? Gentlemen, when you are chatting with a beautiful single Filipina online, she is sweet, kind, hardworking, and yes, she's also a mother. Before you book that flight, fall in love and start dreaming of forever. Let me see something you really need to hear throughout this episode. If you don't like other people's kids, do not marry a single Filipina mom. This isn't just about you, it's about her child, and the life you're stepping into. Let's speak the truth with no sugar coating. In the West, you might be used to dating the mom, not the kids. But in the Philippines, it doesn't work that way. A single Filipino mom comes as a complete package. Her child is not a side dish, that's her world. Her reason for getting up, her biggest worry, and her greatest hope. You can't separate her love for you from her love for her child. So if you're thinking you'll tolerate the kid or stay out of parenting, stop. This is not for you. Most single Filipino moms aren't online looking for flings or fantasy. They're looking for security, love, and a better life for their child. So, if you can't see yourself being a role model or at least a respectful presence to her kid, don't waste her time. Don't play hero and then ghost because you didn't sign up for fatherhood. Guess what? You did. Even if the child already has a biological dad, your presence is going to influence that kid deeply. Single motherhood in the Philippines is no joke. Many of these women are working two jobs, taking care of aging parents, dealing with school fees, and doing it all alone. The last thing they need is a man who's going to judge her child for being loud, clingy, moody, or in the way. Her child didn't choose the situation. They're just trying to survive. So unless you're ready to truly accept her life, including the messy, noisy, and perfect parts, so stay in your lane. There are men who might see, I don't like kids, but I will try to see it through. No, don't try. Because pretending to love a child when you don't can be more damaging than just walking away. Kids know and can feel your true morality and feelings. They feel rejection like a knife, especially when it comes from someone their mom trusts. This isn't just about dating a woman, it's about shaping a child's world. Are you willing to emotionally invest in the family and embrace the culture? Or are you just looking for companionship without the responsibility? Remember, more than likely, you will be cheap financial support as well. It's not all warnings and red flags. Many foreigners have stepped into the role and become incredible stepfathers. And you know what? Those families thrive. The child blossoms, the mother glows with relief and gratitude, and the man finds a love deeper and more meaningful than he ever expected. But that only happens if you come in with your eyes open and your heart ready. If you're not ready to help raise someone else's child, that doesn't make you a bad person. It just means this isn't the relationship for you. Don't marry a single Filipino mom if you can't embrace her child with genuine love and patience. This isn't a casual commitment. It's a lifelong imprint on someone's future. But if you can love her child like your own, you will gain more than a wife. You will gain a family. And in the Philippines, that's everything. If this hits home or opened your eyes to the reality of marrying a single Filipino mom, I hope you will always think of the pros and cons before ruining a loving, humble, caring and loyal Filipino mom's life. I'm not saying you well, but many a foreigner have entered a single Filipino mom's life unexcited, leaving her own trauma, disappointment, and despair. Love with your eyes open and your mind and spirit, not just your heart. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.